Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is indeed GTA 5 running on my Xiaomi 50 with the Winlator 9.0. Thanks to Bruno for including the Vortek experimental driver. If I go to my task manager, you can see the GTA 5 is there. And of course, guys, I'm also going to show you all the settings that I'm using to be able to run this game. And the idea is just as a proof of concept to just see what Vortek can do. Okay, we are starting with 38.2. I have also connected my DualSense controller, guys. Yeah, let's just try to play the game. And yeah, I know this game is running almost like 60 FPS on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, where we have the Turnip Adreno drivers. Now this thing here is still oh yeah, you can see no, cancel, don't close on me. This thing here is still experimental, guys, so you cannot really expect to have all the nice and the good stuff, but nevertheless I'm able to run the game. I, by the way, also did not change any of the graphical settings, and this is also not running on the highest resolution. I'm gonna show you later all the settings that I have, but I just want to kind of like play the game and see what I'm able to do with it. Just to see really what is possible, again, as a proof of the concept. All right, so as you can see, it's not ideal in terms of FPS, so this is pretty much how it looks like. All right, let's just try to get some action and hopefully get a nice car somewhere and start driving. All right, but as you can see, I'm able to do a free spin right now, and this is the FPS that I get. So let's see what happens when I enter the settings. All right, I'm still using the DualSense controller, so I'm gonna hit the settings. I'm gonna go to display and to the graphics, and yep. But hey, since we're here, let me try to show you the settings. First, I'm going to show you the settings for Winlator. So it's very important if you have an elderly device to use these settings if you want to get the game, and maybe there are better settings, but those are the ones that I'm using and they work. The box 64 version 030. You can go and download newer versions. Probably 031 works as well, but the latest one 033 doesn't work here. Also clone the box preset, and I just did it like a performance one to make sure that safe flags are set to 0. Now I'm going to show you my container settings. If I go to edit them, the screen size I'm using is 1280 by 800, 16 by 10. The graphics driver is the Vortek here. Anything else practically will not work. You can try to download all the latest Turnip drivers for Adreno 830. Yeah, it's not supported, guys. So the only option, again, thanks to Bruno, is Vortek. The DXVK wrapper is also not the latest version. They are newer ones, but it doesn't really work with them. Show FPS, all right, it's important. I'm using this GPU here, the GTX 1070, also with the maximum available video memory size. It's 4 GB. These settings are enabled here. When you go to advanced, guys, for GTA 5, I've also removed CPU 0 and 1 for processor infinity because it apparently doesn't really work. Also, the box 64 preset is set to performance, the one that I kind of cloned, with the safe flag set to 0. Startup selection, all right, it's probably even better to just set aggressive, and the Windows version is 7. So I'm now gonna save it. Okay, how do you run the game is a whole different story, but I'm just going to run the container to show this to you. All right, so this is the container here, and when you go to the GTA folder, just find GTA launcher, press with 2 fingers here and create a shortcut. It's going to place the shortcut right on your home screen here, but it's even more important that you're gonna get a proper shortcut from here. And from the shortcut menu, you can also edit some settings. So settings, okay, if I go to advanced, I've chosen here force full screen. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's start some GTA. I also enabled the game turbo for Winlator. I'm not sure if this does anything, but nevertheless, let's start the game. Doing a free spin here gives me almost, I would say, acceptable performance for, again, a proof of concept. That is like 30 FPS. Not very playable, as you can see, but I'm also very happy to see that I don't seem to encounter a lot of artifacts, at least not for now, which is actually good. All right, let's keep going. Let's try to find a car and yep, do some action. Okay, that's a fancy car. Let's see how I can get this car. Oh, oh no, I got on top of the car. That wasn't my idea. I just want to get in the car. The game became unplayable, so I just went inside the task manager, guys, and on the GTA 5 I went to Process Affinity and removed CPU 1 2 and also 0. Let's see, maybe just tiny bit better now. Oh, wow. Oh, I want this car. I want this car. Just give me this car. Give me this car. Woo! GTA 5. This is so cool, guys. Running on the Xiaomi 15. 32 FPS, by the way. Yeah, I know what you're gonna say. I know they're gonna say it's trash, it's not working. But hey, guys, remember, this thing is still experimental and we're doing it for the proof of concept. Can I go to the beach with my new motorbike? I can. OMG, so nice. I want to avoid hitting people, it's not cool, and let me try to get myself a car, yep. Hey, GTA 5, oh, no, they're here, my friends are here, yep. Okay. Alright guys, Woo! This is my getaway car! Not as fancy as I wanted it to be, but still. And yes, that happened, guys, after some short driving. Yeah, 41.1, but I need to restart the game, bear with me. So I'm gonna exit it and I'm gonna run it once more. 30 FPS. Wow! Ah! Oh gee, this wasn't good. Alright, now that's a proper car. Yep. Okay, trying to escape with 15 FPS. If you think this is good, no, it's not. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna go inside game space and remove the Winlator. I'm not sure this was a good idea anyway. Now let's restart the Winlator and yeah, let's do another round. You know what, guys? Let me just go and edit the resolution. This resolution is not so playable. Yeah, I'm just gonna go probably humiliating, but nevertheless, remember, guys, everything here experimental. All right, now let's see if this is gonna be a whole other different story, guys. Well, yeah, seems to be, I wanted to say way smoother. No, it is a bit smoother. Nevertheless, it's low resolution really, but is the game playable? It is. Oh, my friend, the cops are here. Oh, Mr. Cop, sorry, man. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get wanted. It's time to send the choppers. Did it just crash on me again? Yeah, I think it did, guys. Yeah, this is somehow like the state with GTA 5 again. Most probably you're able to just get even better performance, but this is what I'm getting right now. I'm gonna give it one more try. I'm gonna change some settings and see how it goes. And I'm only going to leave this configuration here for the Affinity and the Affinity 32-bit apps. Alright, it's time for another try. I'm gonna hop on that bike. And I lost the sound. Somehow, guys. No sound is coming. This is weird. What happened to my sound? You know what? Yeah. Oh, no, don't close this up. It seems that this thing with the Affinity just works somehow, because now it's kind of better. Not so stuttery, and I have to take my words back. No, I'm not. 18 FPS, 20 FPS. Alright, guys. Let's try to drive to the city and just have an occasional driving. Some point also do measure some temps. Oh, wow. Ooh, alright, yeah. Nice ride, and in my style, everything just gone. Right, let's just see some temps, by the way. 40, that's impressive, by the way. Oh, lady, nice car there. Oh, and somebody even gave me like a boost. Appreciate a boost, sir. Guys, what do you think? It's like 28 FPS. Winlator 9. Yep. And we're here again. Oh my god. This is not so bad, guys. Like 31 FPS isn't that bad, huh? This is what I think. And every time I say it, some hiccups. Let's check what happens with the temperature here. 36.7 while I was fine-tuning Winlator. Alright. Let me give you a tour with the motorbike. The good news is that I'm not able to see any obvious artifacts. Yeah, and while I'm driving, guys, you can see it's 18 FPS-ish, 20. It's definitely not ideal. But the good thing is that in this game I'm not facing any of the artifacts. And this is promising because my first tests were very horrible and I got lack of textures on almost all the NPCs and myself included there. Yeah, you know what? I think when I'm using the default GPU, the 480, I think it was like GD up. Oh, artifacts, okay. Taking my words back. Okay, this was weird, guys, because with the other GPUs, I wasn't experiencing the artifacts. So, guess a lot of textures and maybe VRAM is not enough. Alright, my man. Alright, let's do some action here. Oh my god. Where? From where? Yep, I got wasted. Yep, I got wasted, and you can see with the standard GPU I'm experiencing issues, so I might go back to the 1070. But anyway, guys, this is the GTA 5 second try with the Winlator 9.0 and the Vortek experimental driver. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you want more videos like this, yeah, let me know. BST over and bye.